Good day, YouTube friends. Today is November 26th, Saturday morning, and I'd like to show you what we have here, right beneath these banana leaves. I'll show you some healthy beetroot seedlings here. They started growing so healthy. I have to remove the cover so that they can go straight up growing. See that one? This is from Australia, from a new Australian friend that gave us this. And then, yeah, but I think this one is not. But I guess it's another seed. I'll have to look into this. This looks like cabbage or not. I'll have to plant this one separately. Maybe I'll do like, stay on the side. We'll see how you look like when you grow up. And YouTube friends, I think I'll do like arranging the seeds that are growing right now so that we'll have an even space in between. So I cannot do that one while on camera because I don't have my tripod here and I'm running out of time. I have to let my chickens out. And so I'm just giving you some update of our beetroot planting here from our Australian friend. So this was the pack where I took all the seeds out and planted here. So we have one large pot right here and two average pots and this one old box here. So there are seedlings that needs to be arranged. I hope I'm doing it correctly. So you can see there, healthy growing beetroot seedlings. There are spaces that looks like crowded and there are spaces that are quite empty. That was like early evening when I was planting this one a few days ago. And so I was in a hurry, so I was not able to put that one correctly or evenly. But I'm happy seeing the healthy seedlings here. The startup is looking nice. So we have this healthy beetroot here upcoming, and probably in the next month or two we'll see more progress here. I have to look into the internet how long this can go growing in the pots before the harvest, maybe 3 months, 4 months, because onions and garlics will take around 6 to 7 months to maturity from the seed. So I'll give you a look to our onion chives right here. We have more than 40, to be exact, 44. 30 pots like this, but on the other side, see that one? And we have another 14 pots here, the second pot. Of course, today's weekend and tomorrow as well, but we still have a lot of things to do here. These weeds starts growing again, so I have to remove that one and took all the soil and be place on our different pots here that we're planning to put in here for the next sets of vegetables that we're going to plant. As of now, we're planting or we're seeding two kinds of eggplants. One from our Australian friend, Black Beauty. It's a big one. I'm excited to see fruits from my planting this year. Likely next year, early next year, will be the fruiting of the eggplants because now just like more than on less than a week sitting in the seed tray. So likely end of December or mid of December, that's the time that, or maybe end of December of this year, that I can replant that one or transfer that into some bigger pots for the permanent location until it bear fruits and the end of the season. So we have again we have two varieties of eggplants. We have Black Beauty from an Australian friend, and we have F1 hybrid that we bought the seeds right here at the local store, but it was expired 2 years ago. But I was surprised that the seeds are still growing. So see how quality the seeds from East West Seed Company. It's really quality ones. And the same with cabbage from East West Seed Company. And like around more than 2 years, I think I bought it all together. And when I see the result, the seeds are still growing. But I know about the quality when it grow big, if it is still the same with those seeds that are not expiring. But we'll see that. So we have here pigweed plant that often misunderstood as spinach, but actually water spinach or alubate in my dialect is a different one. This one is pigweed plant, but we call this in our local dialect in Philippines kulitis. Here in Thailand, they call this one pakom, and actually there are four varieties to this. So let's get back here to our beetroot. So see, I have to separate some of the seeds to fill on the available space here, and hopefully I'm not hurting the roots beneath. Okay, thank you once again, YouTube friends, for watching. So this is our update of our beetroot. So we uploaded that during the time that we are seeding this one. We're planting the seeds right here like a few days ago. And right now this will be part two, in which you can see the growing seeds right here up on the ground. So thank you once again, and see you in the next. Bye.